Hello folks, this is Kevin from Good Day, Good Prayers. I know that my screen is a little bit monkeyed up, and I'm sorry about that. That's about as close as I can do with this. But I told you we were going to start working on bookkeeping that will help you with your business. And so we had a 4-envelope system. And this is the first envelope in the system called merchandise. Now, what happens here is that we begin what we would call a general journal. The general journal, you write information in this particular area here that is kind of descriptive of what is going on. And then you have 4 columns here. Now, the first column we're going to call credit. The second one we're going to call debit. The third one we'll call total. And the fourth one we will call final total. And so we'll take a look at what kinds of things would go into each of these. Now, the beginning balance that we had in the original envelope was $400. And so when we divided that money in that envelope into 4 envelopes, we put $100 in each envelope. See, we put it in the credit area. Now, this is the beginning amount. And so over here in final total, we also put $100. Now, we go ahead and we have a sale of a bike, and the sale of the bike is $40. So we're going to put $10 in each of the 4 envelopes. So here is the $10 in this merchandise envelope. So we put it in here, and then we add it to the 100, and we come up with 110. Then we sell a hose for $20, and we put $5 in each of the 4 envelopes, coming up with $115. Now, we go to an auction sale. This is at the Jones House auction sale. And at the auction sale, we purchase $21 worth of merchandise. Now, we take the $21 from the $115, and we come up with $94. So we put $94 here, and we put $94 here in the final total. Now, we want to check that. And just like you would do with a checkbook, you would want to make sure that these 2 numbers equal this number, which is the number you started with. So you take the number that you subtracted from the 115 plus the number that you wound up getting after you subtracted it, and here it is, and you come up with $115. So then we know that 94 then is correct. So let's do on envelope 1 what we call a general ledger. Basically, you have a line here and a line across, and what you want to do is you want to check to make sure this side and this side are equal. So you have 115, which is the amount that we started with. We take 21 and 94, and we add them, come up with 115. So under this line, we have 115. And under this line, nothing has changed, so we have 115 here. And once we know that these 2 sides are both equal to one another, then we go ahead and we put the 2 lines under here, which denotes that this is correct. So we have our general journal entries here for the first envelope, which is the merchandise envelope. We have also for envelope 1 our general ledger, And as we can see, it has equaled out. Therefore, because of that, all of this is correct, and we are up to date. Now, we can also, in this area here, you can put the dates. On some of the papers, on some of the pages that I'm going to do, I will put in dates. On this one, I didn't actually do it, but on the other ones, I will make sure I do that. So this is how you do the beginning of the bookkeeping. Now we're going to do some other things that have to do with bookkeeping, and as you can see, I've gone over the 5 minutes, which I don't often do, but in this case, I will have no choice but to do that. So this is Kevin from Good Day, Good Prayers. I hope that you have a great evening. Remember to like and subscribe and to share this information with other people. Good day.